In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Google Calendar on your Windows 10 taskbar, providing you quick, easy access to your schedule directly from your desktop. If you're someone who relies on Google Calendar to manage your appointments and tasks, this approach can save you time and streamline your daily routine. So let's dive right in and walk through this simple process together. First things first, open up Google Chrome, which is the preferred browser for this task due to its compatibility. Once you've got Chrome up and running, navigate over to Google Calendar by entering the URL calendar.google.com in the address bar, then hitting enter. This will bring up your Google Calendar in the browser. Now that we have Google Calendar open, look towards the top right corner of the Chrome window. You should see a three-dot icon, which is the menu button. Go ahead and click on that icon. This menu is your gateway to numerous options and settings within Chrome that will help us in creating a shortcut to your Google Calendar. In the drop-down menu, hover over the Cast, Save, and Share section, which is a suite of tools you'll frequently use in Chrome. As you hover, a submenu appears, and you'll want to look for the option that says Create Shortcut. Click on it to initiate the next step in the process. Doing this will open a pop-up window with some customizable settings. In the pop-up window, you'll want to rename the shortcut to something that is easily recognizable. A name like My Google Calendar could work, or feel free to personalize it to your liking. Naming the shortcut helps you easily identify it among any other shortcuts you might have. Once you've decided on a name, simply click the Create button within the pop-up window. This action will create a shortcut to your Google Calendar right on your desktop. It's a great way to ensure that accessing your calendar is just a click away without needing to open your browser each time. With the shortcut created, you can now close the current tabs in your browser safely. You'll notice a new icon for Google Calendar has appeared on your desktop. This is your newly created shortcut, ready to be used. To bring Google Calendar down to the taskbar for even quicker access, simply right-click on the new desktop icon you just created. From the context menu that appears, choose Pin to Taskbar. This will anchor it to your taskbar for easy access at any time without having to search for it amongst other windows or tabs. And there you have it. Google Calendar is now pinned right to your taskbar. Anytime you want to check your schedule, simply click the icon and it will open in its own dedicated window, making it easy to manage your daily tasks and events. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined calendar experience.